Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Rachel with Lo-Casa, and today we are going to be doing a deal breakdown. Usually we do this on our website, LoCasa.com, but because of the nature of this specific deal, I wanted to just showcase it on what we have currently, which is Investor Lift. I don't know if I'm going to put it on our website because it is a little bit of a fixer-upper, and most of the deals that we offer are fully turnkey. But this deal was brought to us by someone, and we wanted to make sure that we shared it with the investors on Investor Lift and throughout different groups that are more in line with a property like this, because it really does look like a phenomenal cash flowing deal. So this property is in Birmingham, Alabama. If you guys do not have an Investor Lift account, this video breakdown should give you all the information that you really need. But if you do not have an Investor Lift account, I believe it is completely free for users that are looking at deals. On Investor Lift, you can request the full address, you can view all the photos, all the details. So if you guys don't have an account with them, make sure you go create one. So this property is in Birmingham, Alabama. It is a 6-bedroom, 3-bathroom home. It's a little over 2,700 square feet. We've only had it a day on Investor Lift, and we have quite a few people that have not only viewed it, but we also have quite a bit of interest, and rightfully so. Like I said, you guys are going to see the comps on this and you're going to understand why. So as you'll see here, the price is $30K. That's the entry. And this is a subject to deal. So if you're not familiar with subject to, make sure you go do your research, but it's basically the ability to purchase a home subject to the existing mortgage. So you don't have to go out and qualify for the mortgage. You don't have to assume the mortgage. You don't have to use your own credit. You're basically taking over someone else's existing payments. So the $30K is going to be catching the seller up on arrears. They only missed one payment. It's also going to go probably towards a little bit of cash to them, along with commissions and the assignment fee. So $30K just to get in the door. Now, another thing to note is I'm going to break down the existing balance on the property, any work that needs to be done. But after repair value on this property, the only comp that I could really find in the area just sold for $286,000. But one of the things that they mentioned when they brought this deal to me was after repair value is probably going to be closer to like 260, 270. But of course, you could pump that up. I mean, it's a 6-bed, 3-bath. The only comp that I could find, I think it was a 5-bedroom. So again, I think that it could get anywhere from like 260, 290, but that is after repairs. So as you can see here, it is a little bit outdated. It's a little bit older, so it does need some TLC. However, it's still in overall good condition, but it will need some work. So as we explain here, we give you just a quick summary. 6-bed, 3-bath brick home. It has an existing fixed rate loan of 6.25%. So like I said, this is going to be subject to, but major systems have already been upgraded. So plumbing, electrical, roof, and HVAC have all been done within the last 3 years. So it just needs some light rehab, anywhere from about $20,000 to $25,000 to hit the full ARV potential of $260,000 to $270,000. So perfect for any type of rental, and I'll show you the comps with income projections of up to $5,300. So just to go into the numbers, it is a subject to opportunity, and the remaining loan balance is approximately $189,000 with a 6.25 interest rate. The entry cost, like I said, is going to be $30,000 plus closing costs. Monthly PITI, check this out, is only $1,439. Okay, and when you see the comps, you're going to be like, this is phenomenal. So the loan type is conventional, and the maturity date literally isn't for basically 30 years. So you have the opportunity to pick this up and hold on to it for the long term without any type of balloon. Built in 1957, no HOA, and of course, like I mentioned, it does need work. Now, if we go into the comps, what we found is it could be ran as any type of rental. So if you were to run it as a long-term rental, the comps in the area are showing about $3,000 a month. Short-term rental, $5,300 a month in revenue. Midterm, $5,000, and by the room rentals, if you were to rent each one by $500, you'd be looking at about $3,000 a month as well. So again, comps are extremely strong. It's only a little over $1,400 PITI, and then yes, the entry cost is $30,000, and you will have to put some work into it. But after that, not only will you have a high value home, you'll also have gotten into it for dirt cheap, along with the fact that you're cash flowing like crazy. So don't know about the whole refinancing. If you were to try to pull money out after, maybe I'd wait a little bit. This is definitely one of those opportunities where it wouldn't necessarily work as a flip just because the margins are really slim. However, it would be a great opportunity for someone to come in, fix it up a bit, have it cash flow, and then maybe after a few years you can refinance, or you can just hold on to it. I mean, like I said, if you have the cash upwards of about 50 to 60K to put into this deal, after you start cash flowing, you'd be making your money back within a couple of years. So some of the key features, like I mentioned, it is subject to a 6.25 interest rate. locked in long-term financing. Like I said, there's no balloon. 30K entry includes that one missed payment. Versatile rental opportunity. It can make money any of these ways. So if you guys have any questions about this deal, if you'd like to learn more, if you'd like to tour it, do your due diligence, please make sure to reach out to us. We should have all of our information wherever you're watching this. So again, guys, thank you for tuning in, and we will see you on the next one.